Two puppies at play.
Come on, guys.
They finally found each other.
That's the next thing that's going to happen.
Well, it's cool. It's cool on the ground, right?
Yeah, it is.
But, Daddy, I'm too tired to get up. I'm just stay here on the ground.
He should be tired. He should be tired. He's run and played with every dog here.
What'd you do, Edgar?
Well, that's why I brought some towels. So I can hose them down. Yeah.
Yeah, except yesterday I
Puppies are playing.
off and it didn't work.
The puppies are playing. I want to see them rear up again. They were just doing it.
Well, I've got plenty of towels to wipe them down.
And then the black puppy decided to lay down. What's his name again?
Gunner.
Gunner, that's right.
Come on, Edgar.
He's a great dog. He's only 8 months old. He doesn't have control of his legs. He's up. He's up and looking for somebody else to play with. Hey, Gunner. Gunner, come and play with this puppy. This is your friend right here. There's your playmate. No, you got to find somebody new?
Edgar ain't Gunner like each other.
Edgar and Lily, Moxie.
We had the same issue with finding months.
Gunner, can you find somebody to play with? You're looking, huh? He's looking. Yeah, Zora probably not going to play with you. She's not in the mood for puppies. There you go. There's your buddy.
She's put up with puppies at home.
She's got puppies at home. She's not in the mood.
Edgar, go! Go!
Everybody's running. All right. This guy's getting them all going. Look at the Irish Wolfhound. Giving them all a run. Way to go. Somebody bigger than you guys, huh? Yeah, look. He's bigger than you are. You aren't sure what to make of that.
Gunner.
That was a big boy, huh?
Gunner.
That was a big boy.
Gunner. Gunner, come. Gunner, come.